In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Razer Blackshark V2X to PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to properly set up and use your Razer Blackshark V2X headset on a PlayStation console. This headset is primarily designed to be used through a wired connection, so it doesn't feature Bluetooth, and you will not be able to use a wireless dongle or something similar. You will be able to connect it to a PlayStation or any other platform by using the provided and included already connected 3.5mm audio cable. So all that you have to do is use the 3.5mm audio cable originating from the headset and connect it to any audio jack, usually the one directly on your controller. As soon as you plug it in, it is going to be detected as an output device. So you will be able to go over to the settings on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, and in that you will be able to check if the Razer Blackshark V2X can be selected as the default input and output device. Now you will be able to use the microphone when you join any sort of game, chat, voice chat, and so on, and all of the audio being output through your console will go over to the headset instead. All that you have to do is plug it in using the 3.5mm audio cable. It is going to provide basic audio and microphone functionality, and you will be good to go. You can use any sort of adapter if you need to for whatever reason, but essentially it is plug and play. So as soon as you plug it into a proper 3.5mm port, it is going to be usable. Besides this, there are no other ways to connect this headset. Because it is not designed to be used wirelessly, you will only be able to use it directly with the wired connection. It doesn't feature Bluetooth or any sort of wireless adapter. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Razer Blackshark V2X to PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.